My name is Hadhakai. I'm working under Hadhakai Foundation. I think this piloting project has been very successful because we bought 204 chickens, day-old chicks. And out of that, we got only one mortality. And the rest are surviving very well. I think they are doing very well because we prepare our own feed. And through the feed, if you want to compare to buying the feed, I would say we save about 60% of the money that we would have used to buy feed.
My name is Tamimu Hussein Banks. I came all along from the Netherlands to come and monitor our project here in Ghana. I'm representing Vereniging Hadhakai. We've got a poultry project that is coming up, but we put it into test first, the piloting, and it has gone very, very well. As you can see, the chicken, we prepared our own feed, poultry feed, and we saved a lot of cost. About 60% of the cost that would have gone in for buying the feed have been saved. We are very confident that now we can go on a full-scale poultry farming. We've also planted maize, as you can see, and this is in preparation towards the large-scale poultry farm. We will be mixing our own poultry feed, and we will be able to save money, about 60% of the cost.
I am Wood Husseini, the coordinator of Hadhakai Educational Complex. And for piloting, we have planted our maize for the feed of our chicken.
As underway to set up a technical and vocational training center in the Daboya community. And to run this effectively, we need this poultry farm to be able to cater for the running costs. Already we've got a kindergarten, a primary school from primary 1 to primary 6, a junior secondary school 1 to 3, and we've also got farms. It is not just maize farms, we also have rice farms. All these are in preparation towards the large-scale poultry farm. This farm produce will also go in to support the children in school. And so we've put a lot of plans in place to take care of this.
And we intend now to go in a full-scale poultry farming.